So friends, one of the biggest hiring has been announced for 2024 and 2025 pass out batch from the IBM. So finally they have started the hiring for the role of ASC, that is Associate System Engineer, and these are the job location. So this is a entry level position and both 2024 as well as 2025 pass out batch are eligible. So your roles and responsibility as an application developer specializing in Java and web technology, you will design, develop and support application based on Java JEE technology stack. So you will work on all these tech stacks. Now requirement education, that is bachelor degree, and preferred education bachelor degree. Required technical skill programming preferably in Java, C++, Python or Node.js. You should have knowledge of SDLC, software development lifecycle concept, and you should not have any active backlog. Remember friends, earlier I have given you the update related to important hiring, and that is from the IBM, and that is for 2026 pass out batch. So that was related to on campus, and off campus hiring will be announced soon. So whenever announced I will provide you update, but you have to wait for 2026 batch. You have to wait. Currently on campus hiring is going on. Okay, talking a little bit more about this hiring. So this is a entry level off campus hiring. Clearly they have mentioned off campus, and in 2026 pass out they have clearly mentioned on campus. So have to wait, and you have to keep your eye on our YouTube channel and don't miss this basically golden opportunity. So 2024 2025 pass out batch only, and BTech computer science, all CS branches like CSC, AIML, DS, cloud computing, all are eligible, and you should have minimum 6 CGPA or 60%. You should have fluent in communication skill, both written as well as spoken, because you will be judged accordingly. Okay, and good interpersonal skill, should be flexible and work from anywhere in India. So this is one of the important hiring you should apply. So go and apply now. For applying, just you have to click here, that is apply now. Then a new window will appear where you have to basically give all your detail by uploading your resume and all things. Actually there is no resume shortlisting, but I will suggest apply for this job according to the basically job description. Okay, means resume आप अपना अच्छे से brush up करके ही apply करें, and that will be good. Okay, so you can basically continue with Google, or you can sign in with your IBM ID. So this is the one of the important hiring you should apply. And friends, I on my YouTube channel I have regularly post lots of important job update. Currently ICICI Bank Aspire program is going on, IDFC First Bank, and lots of other important hiring going on. So if you haven't gone through that video, must go through and apply now. And if you have been selected for any interview and want to schedule your mock interview with us, then you can schedule, and we will provide you dedicated feedback for the real interview that will basically boost your confidence. होप इन्फॉर्मेटिव टू यू. कोई भी डाउट है फील फ्री टू आस्क यार, कमेंट यार, आई विल वेरी हैप्पी टू हेल्प यू. मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में. थैंक यू.